How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This week's episode, we're going to be covering a lot more of training in Santai Muay Thai. I'm going to be covering Tuesday's training and I think a little bit of Wednesday. I don't know, wait, no, not Wednesday. Wednesday? I don't think Wednesday, no, because Wednesday they do boxing. Or I don't know. But the point is that this week's episode, there's going to be a lot more footage of me training, and that's good. That's good, because that's what you guys are here to see. So let's get into it.
Alright, it's another day. It's Tuesday. And now I'm going to head out to train. I'm feeling a little bit better than yesterday. Ooh, look at that beautiful sunrise. Look at that, that's gorgeous. And I'm feeling, look, a kitty. I'm feeling significantly better. Which is why I gotta go take a piss before I leave. But yeah, I'm ready to train. My sore throat is a lot weaker than it was yesterday. And I'm just gonna take another quick piss, and then I'm gonna head out. Good morning, sir. Tiger. Good morning.
Hey, Tiger! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy to see you! You're so cute! Oh my gosh, you're cuter than ever! Oh my god, good boy! Tiger! 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 Oh, see the tiger! He's gonna be the tiger! He's gonna be the tiger! I love my little tiger!
I love you. Good morning, buddy. Alright, you gonna suck your own penis? Okay.
Look at him, he's so loving. He's such a good boy.
Good morning.
Those are the shittiest teeps I have ever seen. God damn. I promise I get better. So much like Tuesdays, on Wednesday morning, it's similar in how we do our training. They give us a combination, we do the combination, and then we do calisthenics in between. But the difference is halfway through the training we do knees. Like we'll grab the bag and then we'll do clenching exercises. So we'll grip the bag and then we'll throw our legs into it like we're trying to knee the bag. Oh, I get distracted by Tiger. I would see Tiger, he would be digging through a trash can, and I thought that would be the cutest thing ever, because he eats some garbage, and then he brings it over to the gym, and he licks us, and we pet him, not realizing that we're getting a whole bunch of nasty shit on ourselves. Oh, shit, no, my headphone was up here. Oh, damn, my bad, guys, if you didn't hear me properly. Is this recording? Is this recording now? Is it recording? Okay, good. My bad, guys. I didn't realize this microphone was up here when I was talking, so pardon the echo, but, you know, as you can tell, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And now we get into the clenching. This guy's name is Poya. He's one of my favorite teachers. Fucking miss this guy. If you go to this school and you become a regular, you're gonna become friends with this guy.
So because I don't have a microwave, I have to resort to heating my food on an electric cooker. This right here are the leftovers of last night's meal. I ordered a bit too much. I wasn't able to eat it all, so now I'm just heating it up and I'm gonna dig in. This is gonna be my lunch, or I guess breakfast, because I really didn't have breakfast. And the final result, voila, check it out. Good stuff. It's crispy pork, rice. It's like chicharron. It's like pork fat. They call it crispy pork, egg, rice, and some other types of pork, minced and sauteed, whatever the fuck. But it's tasty. All right, off I go. Oh shit, yo, check this out. I'm about to head up. Get the fuck out of here, Wasp. Get the fuck out of here. I ain't afraid of you, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. What are you doing? Fucking kill you. Fuck no, I ain't gonna have no wasp in my room. Fucking bitch. Some stupid fucking wasp. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Is there a nest around here? Oh no, there was a wasp knocking on my door, and I was like, yo, I'll fight you. I'll fight you, bro. So check it out. I got this little guy right here. I'm gonna show him off later when I get back. Look at what he does. Oh, you can't really see. I'm gonna have to show you the wonders when I get back. But for now, it's off to training.
This exercise. Ah, yes. This right here was incredible for me. Jumping on the tires, I don't know if you could tell by my chunky ass ankles, but I don't have much mobility. And I'll tell you, for the first like month and a half in class, I would just hop on this tire over and over and over again just to build better mobility with my feet. I'm telling you, man, that was imperative. I used to suffer from a lot of imbalances in my feet. I would walk very flat-footed, very heavy-footed, and then once I started doing this and prioritizing this before any training, oh man, it made a huge difference. Because of that exercise, I can run now comfortably and not have any discomfort. It's superb. I recommend it. If you get there and you want to make a strong improvement, hop on those tires, bitch. So that'll conclude this week's episode. I still gotta get the footage of what the rest of the trip out of the hard drive, so I'm not sure what's gonna be happening in the next episode, but you're just gonna have to subscribe and wait till next week. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.